In the past, the focus was on protected markets, but today it is global competition. Yesterday it was more of products business. Today it is businesses more into service sector. Yesterday it used to be quality oriented approach, but today any quality will not do. The best quality at the most competitive price only will sell. Yesterday it was saving habit. Today it is future money being also spent by the executives now. Yesterday it used to be largely autocratic style of management. Today it is participative style of management, which alone can really bring in the required synergy in the organization. And professionalism was good enough those years, but today professional competency coupled with marketing ability as well as presentation skills become the most important aspects for anybody, for the individual as well as the organizations to grow. Ultimately, it boils down to say that the speed with which work can be done, the cost effectiveness and the soft skills become the most important ingredients of the deliverables. So, when we come back to the point of quality of educational standards, the issues are, do we get the required competent faculty? How are we going to substantiate this point? There are 2-3 ways. One is you identify the best of the talent which are going out of the colleges each year. You have to try and convince some of those people to get into educational line, in the teaching line. Teaching line is basically a flavor based one. Once people are convinced that it is very interesting for them to self development as well as to improve the skills of the general student public at large, they may be interested to come into the teaching line. When we come to the infrastructure facility, today even in any nook and corner you find some graduate school as well as postgraduate college. This is not on, this is not good enough, unless there are some regulations brought in by the government also to make sure that there is ample facility for the student to develop the personality angle. They will not be able to really turn out to be the best executives suitable for the industry. The placements activity going on in the industry, say up to 2000, there was a great demand for the Indian engineers and the Indian graduates also because of the Y2K issue. Subsequently, up to 2003, there was a lull because of the dot-com bust. From 2003 to 2008, almost 4 to 5 years, there has been a great demand for the outgoing students, both in the IT sector as well as in the manufacturing sector and also in the service sector. Today, the demand is again picking up after a lull period of about 1.5 years. The demand is there for all sectors. There is a great demand for the management graduates. There is a great demand for engineers. There is a great demand for biotechnology specialists, and there is a great demand for good quality graduate level students also. Aurora Group has been concentrating more on the soft skills training because subject knowledge is anyway taken for granted. Students are learning this on their own initiative as well as through the best quality competent faculty what we have in our different colleges. Apart from using the internet extensively, we concentrate more on soft skills development as a regular activity. In each and every college, we have special labs created for ensuring that there is a great improvement in soft skills area almost at every level of the student. That is starting from first year onwards, we undertake this activity. By the time he comes to the final year, we are very sure that he is one among the best of the people needed in the industry.